Good morning. Happy Wednesday. You're halfway through your second week of distance learning. So to kick it off here is Can't Stop the Feeling by Justin Timberlake from the Trolls movie. Listen to just a little bit of it and don't leave yet. I'm gonna talk to you about several different things today.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off it, moving so phenomenally. Come on, like the way we rock it, so don't stop. Under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine, nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good creeping up on you, so just dance, dance, dance. Come on, all those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. There ain't nobody leaving, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling, so just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on.
Okay, I seriously don't know how that can't not put you in a good mood. He's like my favorite of all time. Okay, so here's what we're working on today. I still want you thinking about that song that makes you the happiest, your happy song anthem, and then you're gonna start working on a cut of either you dancing to that song, acting silly, hanging out, whatever it is. Be as creative as you want to be, but I want it to be super short, like 15 seconds, like as long as a TikTok, okay? Nothing really, really long at all. Later today, once I can get my daughter to do one with me, I'm gonna upload mine and then that'll be the link. That will be due on Sunday at 11:59, okay? So you have about 5 days to get that done as soon as I get that link up and working for you. The next thing that we're gonna talk about, you need to be working on reading log day 3 and writing log day 3. Remember, your reading can be the same book or it can be a different book. And I'm working on that format to change the format in the reading log for next week so that it's a little more user-friendly. I realize after talking to some of you guys that it looks kind of wonky. And then your writing log, I know a lot of you guys like to work ahead, and that's totally fine, but I'm not sure how you can write in the future. So maybe let's keep our writing log for day to day. It shouldn't take you very long. Anywhere between 5 to 10 sentences is good enough. I just want you writing about what's on your mind. And then let's kind of turn our thoughts back here to the article assignment. Your vocabulary is due tonight at 11:59, and then your short answer I'm going to assign to you here in just a few seconds, and it's going to be due on Friday at 11:59 along with your reading and writing logs. Okay, so if you go to, and give me just a second, you have your vocabulary, so you have your article right here, and an easy way to do this, guys, is split your screens. So you have your article, and then you can pull up your vocabulary for those of you that haven't done it, and you can see in the article where they've been highlighted, these words. Okay, they're the 10 words that come out of that are on that document. All you have to do is, I showed you guys this the other day, go to dictionary.com, type in the word, and then all you have to do is highlight, and then right click, copy and paste, and then right click, paste it into your document. Super easy, okay? So don't stress out about that, okay? So your vocabulary, all 10 words are due tonight at 11:59, okay? What you're working on today is the second part of your assignment, and it's 5 questions, okay? So I suggest that you make it still split screen like this. In my opinion, it's just easier that way, okay? So you're gonna answer the following questions from the reading and complete and grammatically correct sentences. Please provide proof where necessary. Some of these might not require proof, okay? So The first one says, describe a period in your life where you faced adversity, but you consciously made an effort to push through it with positivity. Okay, so this is going to be something that is specific to you. Number 2, with social distancing and distant learning in mind, list 3 ways you can connect with these type of people within the current situation the world is facing. So I want you to review tip number 2, hang out with an upbeat and fun-loving people. So that's right over here. So it might do you good to kind of reread that. Number 3, you're reviewing tip 4, join a group of like-minded people and play. Again, considering social distancing and distant learning and without using the list provided in the article, what are some things, 3 things you can do or play during this time? Number 4, ask you to review tip 5, do something nice for a stranger. And I want you to record a video of yourself this week reaching out and doing something nice for someone in some way. This will require you to be creative. Post your video below with a short explanation. It's going to require you to be creative. You can FaceTime your grandma and check in on her. You can help your siblings do their homework. You can help mom or dad clean the kitchen. You can go outside and do some yard work. You can go next door and ask your neighbor if there's anything you can do for them. It's going to require you to be creative and keep the social distancing in mind if you're going outside of your home, okay? And then number 5 says to review tip 6. Number 6 says set one exciting goal every day. And then I want you to think about the next 3 days. So today, tomorrow, and Friday. And I want you to set 2 goals for each day. 1 academic goal for any class and 1 general goal, like anything else that you can think of. And then I want you to write your goal and how you plan to accomplish it in the box provided, okay? Now that I'm sitting here thinking about this, I'm going to give you guys until Sunday at 11:59 to turn in the section B part of this assignment, okay? I realize that now that I've talked through it, it is a little lengthy, but it's nothing that you can't handle. If you finish it early, please turn it in early. That's totally fine. That way you're done with it. But if you want to work on it a little bit today, come back and work on it a little bit tomorrow, that's totally fine. Whatever you see fit that you need to do, okay? So reminder, section B of your 8 ways to be happy is due on Sunday at 11:59. And then I am going to upload the assignment link and example for your, wrong screen, for your Be Happy song anthem, okay? So, as always, if you have questions, email me. It goes straight to my phone, so I see it almost instantly. I do ask, be patient with me and give me a little bit of time to respond back to you. If you're confused on something, please let me know. The comments in Google Classroom are working great. The emails are working great. If you need a live Google Hangouts chat, please let me know and I'll send you a link so that we can do it. Juniors, your Google Hangouts is going to be tomorrow, Thursday. There's going to be one at 10 a.m. and there's going to be one at 1:30 p.m. And I think we're just going to do it that way, guys, once a week for everyone, okay? All right, I hope you guys have a good day, and remember to be happy.